Do you currently sell renewable energy in Canada? If so, you may be leaving money on the table. Businesses are taking the responsible environmental steps by purchasing renewable energy credits. In Canada, clean energy providers don't have a system to register and sell their credits like they do in Europe, even though 80% of Canada's energy is produced by renewable energy sources. As your company produces megawatts of power, you can receive renewable energy credits which can be bought by institutions and companies looking to prove they're sustainable. Third-party organizations prove authenticity and standards. Volterra Energy Marketplace allows renewable energy companies to register, sell, and export credits. To join our marketplace, you simply register your renewable asset, get approved, set a price, and the marketplace does the work for you. Changing the world for future generations has never been easier.